Hi all. Did you know that Apple and Google allow you to run an LLM locally on a phone? It is quite simple, and in this video we will see how to do it. We will show how to do this on an iPhone. For that, we need to open Settings. Then go to Apple Intelligence and Siri and turn on Apple Intelligence. If we enable it for the first time, Apple will need to download some files, so this step may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, Apple Intelligence will be ready to use on your phone. Apple also offers a playground app where you can test its features. In this video, we want to try something more advanced, how to build our own mobile app that uses Apple Intelligence. For this demo, we will use the Appery Platform. We start by creating a new application. The app is empty, so I open screen 1. We rename the header and remove footer to make the interface cleaner. To work with Apple Intelligence, we need to enable the corresponding plugin. Open the Cordova plugin list and find Local LLM. Turn it on. If to press Read More button, it explains how to use the plugin and includes examples. The first step is to check availability. On Android devices, we can download the model and then we can send a prompt or generate an image. Let's build a simple example. The user will enter some text and the app will rewrite it. To collect user input, we add a text area component. Then we bind its value to the model so the text is available in the app. Next, we add a button. When the user taps this button, the app will rewrite the text. After that, we add a text component to display the result. We use the variable result, so we also create a variable with that name. The button needs to trigger an action, so we create a function called rewrite. Then we add this function in the code and mark it as async. We copy the example code from the documentation and paste it here. The result returned by the function will be saved into the result variable. Instead of using a fixed prompt, we pass the user's text, for example, rewrite plus this.text. Since this operation may take some time, we enable the loading indicator. This way, the user sees that the request is being processed. Apple Intelligence and the local LLM can only run on a mobile device, so testing must be done on a phone. For that, we use the Appery Tester app. It allows us to develop and test the application at the same time. We scan the QR code with the Tester app. Once the code is scanned, the application is ready to test. We enter some sample text and tap the Rewrite button. A loading indicator appears, and after a short wait, the rewritten text is displayed on the screen. The documentation also shows that you can do more than text processing. You can generate images as well. To test that, I remove the text result and add an image component. I set its width to 100%. For the image source, we use the result variable. We also add ngIf, so the image appears only when a result is available. We copy the image generation example from the documentation and paste it into the code. Then we update it a bit. We remove the parts that are not needed, keep the prompt from the text input, and store the generated image in the result variable. After saving the project, we go back to the app. The old interface is still visible. We press the Appery button and then tap Refresh to load the latest version. We enter a prompt such as cat and dog and tap the button. After a short wait, the generated image appears on the screen. If we want to speed up testing, we can also import the Appery plugin. Open the plugin list, find Local LLM, and import it. This plugin includes ready-to-use examples for checking availability, sending prompts, generating images, and more. There is one more way to test. Exit the current app, open samples, find Local LLM, and launch it. From there, you can try the same features as in plugin. That's all I wanted to show in this video. Feel free to contact us if you need more information. Thanks for watching.